Have you ever wondered about the history of the FIFA World Cup? It all started with a dream born in the mind of Jules Rimet, the man who served as FIFA's president for over 3 decades. Rimet envisioned a tournament that would bring nations together through the universal language of football. His dream came to life on the football fields of Uruguay in 1930. 13 teams stepped onto the pitch, 7 from South America, 4 from Europe, and 2 from North America, all vying for the ultimate prize in football. After a fierce competition, the host nation, Uruguay, emerged victorious, lifting the trophy that would later bear Rimet's name. This moment marked the birth of a phenomenon that would grow beyond Rimet's wildest dreams, a global spectacle that transcends borders and cultures. And so, the stage was set for a global spectacle that would captivate the world for decades to come. Over the years, the World Cup has given us moments that have been etched into the annals of football history. Who can forget Maradona's audacious hand of God goal in Mexico, 1986? Or the sheer brilliance of the young Pelé, dazzling spectators and opponents alike in Sweden, 1958. Each tournament brings with it a new chapter of memorable moments and heroic performances. And then there are the legendary players, titans of the game who have left indelible marks on the World Cup. From the mesmerizing footwork of Diego Maradona and the unparalleled skill of Pelé, to the head-spinning pirouettes of Zinedine Zidane. And let's not forget the modern-day maestros, Lionel Messi and Cristiano Ronaldo, who have both etched their names in World Cup lore. These moments and players have not only defined World Cups but have also shaped the history of football. The FIFA World Cup is more than just a football tournament. It's a global phenomenon that transcends sporting boundaries to touch every corner of our society. The World Cup is a melting pot of cultures where nations set aside their differences and rally around the universal language of football. This unique tournament fosters international relations as countries vie for the coveted trophy, yet respect and camaraderie dominate the pitch. The World Cup's cultural impact is profound. It influences fashion trends, music, and even global politics. Every 4 years, it brings a global spotlight to the host nation, allowing them to showcase their culture, history, and hospitality on the world stage. Moreover, the World Cup unites people. It brings together individuals from different walks of life, creating a shared sense of community and celebration. From the bustling streets of Buenos Aires to the quiet corners of Tokyo, the World Cup's magic permeates, binding us in a shared love for the beautiful game. Indeed, the World Cup is a global event that transcends the boundaries of the beautiful game. Now let's take a quick tour through the timeline of the World Cup. Starting in 1930, in the heart of Uruguay, this global event took its first breath. Fast forward to 1950, Brazil weeps as Uruguay lifts the trophy on their soil. A decade later, Pelé emerges as a young star, leading Brazil to victory in Sweden. The year 1966 sees England crowned at home, and in 1970, Mexico hosts as Pelé shines once more. Fast forward to 1986, Mexico again plays host, this time to Maradona's hand of God. We move to the millennium, and Zidane's headbutt stuns the world in 2006. In 2010, Spain tastes victory in South Africa, and 2018 sees France lift the trophy in Russia. From its humble beginnings to the grand spectacle it is today, the FIFA World Cup has a rich history that continues to inspire and excite football fans around the world.